Greetings folks, it's Sarah. Today I am here to show you guys how to do a blower installation on a JA Roby cook stove. The particular model that we'll be featuring here is going to be the Gemini. Most JA Roby cook stoves don't actually feature a blower option because that's not generally a standard feature on cook stoves. However, because this model is EPA approved, it is then therefore allowed to have that blower option. JA Roby does have a series of wood stoves as well that feature blower options, and this video would apply to any JA Roby wood stove on how to properly install your blower. Now, a couple of things I do want to point out about the blower is that they do operate on a thermo disc. So a lot of times people get their blowers and they like plug them in and install them on the stove and it doesn't kick on and they think that their blower doesn't work. So it is essentially going to be wired into a thermodisc, which is a heat sensor. What that does is it picks up warmth off the stove so that your blower is not blowing cold air across the room. Pretty nice feature, right? So essentially that thermodisc is going to kick in at about 120 degrees Fahrenheit. Once that heats up, then the blower will kick on. So it could take a little bit of time burning your stove the first time before you actually notice your blower kick on. If you guys find these videos helpful, informational, educational, if you enjoy them, please don't forget to give me that thumbs up. It helps me out so much when you like my videos. Also, please don't forget to just click that subscribe button in the corner of the channel. If you can, share my video with a friend. I appreciate you guys. Thanks for being here. Have a wonderful day.